Hello dear viewers, and welcome to Nebloo Healthy. I am Nebloo Leon. The world we live in today, with its breakneck pace and ceaseless demands, can often feel overwhelming. This can lead to stress, an omnipresent companion for many of us. Stress, in essence, is our body's natural response to life's challenges. It's designed to protect us, priming our bodies for immediate action when faced with danger. But when stress becomes a persistent part of our lives, it can wreak havoc on both our physical and mental health. Physical symptoms of stress can range from headaches and stomach issues to high blood pressure and even heart problems. Mentally, stress can lead to anxiety, depression, and difficulties with concentration and memory. But perhaps the most insidious aspect of stress is its ability to feed on itself, creating a vicious cycle that can be hard to break free from. But don't despair. There are tools and techniques available to us that can help manage and alleviate stress. One of the most accessible and effective methods is through breathing exercises. These exercises, which we'll explore in this series, are designed to calm the nervous system, reduce anxiety, and help us regain our sense of inner peace. Breathing exercises can be done anywhere, anytime, without the need for any special equipment or training. They are a simple, yet powerful way to activate our body's relaxation response, a physiological state that counteracts the stress response. By taking just a few minutes each day to practice these exercises, we can not only reduce our current stress levels, but also build resilience against future stress. So whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, these exercises can provide a valuable addition to your stress management toolbox. Remember, stress is a part of life, but it doesn't have to control our lives. With the right tools and techniques, we can learn to manage stress effectively, promoting better health and well-being. Breathing exercises are one of the most accessible and effective methods for managing and alleviating stress. Our first exercise is diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing. This technique is a cornerstone of relaxation and stress management, offering a simple yet powerful way to activate your body's relaxation response. Let's delve into the steps. First, find a comfortable position. You can either sit or lie down, whichever feels best for you. As you settle in, place one hand gently on your chest and the other on your abdomen. This will help you feel the movement of your breath. Now, close your eyes and take a moment to center yourself. When you're ready, take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. As you do this, focus on allowing your diaphragm, that's the muscle under your lungs, to expand and your abdomen to rise. Your chest should remain relatively still. This is the essence of diaphragmatic breathing. As you exhale, do so slowly through your mouth, allowing your abdomen to gently fall. This process of rising and falling is a physical manifestation of the ebb and flow of life itself, a reminder of the natural rhythms that exist within and around us. The beauty of diaphragmatic breathing lies in its simplicity. It requires no special tools or environments, only your body and your awareness. It's a technique you can use anytime, anywhere, to bring a sense of calm and control, to quiet your mind and to reduce stress. The benefits of diaphragmatic breathing extend beyond the immediate relaxation response. Regular practice can improve lung function, encourage better sleep, increase mindfulness, and even help manage chronic conditions like asthma. Remember, the key to effective diaphragmatic breathing is practice. Like any skill, the more you do it, the more natural it becomes. So, make this exercise a part of your daily routine, integrating it into moments of rest, before sleep, or whenever you need a calming influence. Repeat this for several breaths. As you do, let the rhythm of your inhalations and exhalations become your focus, a soothing cadence guiding you towards tranquility and inner peace. The 4-7-8 breathing exercise is excellent for calming the nervous system and reducing anxiety. This technique, rooted in ancient yogic traditions, has found a home in modern stress management practices, and for a good reason. It's simple, effective, and requires nothing more than a few moments of your time. To begin, find a comfortable seating position. Make sure your spine is straight, your shoulders are relaxed, and your feet are flat on the floor. Close your eyes and take a moment to settle into your body. noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. Now let's start the 4-7-8 breathing technique. With your mouth closed, breathe in quietly through your nose to a mental count of 4. Let the air fill your lungs and expand your diaphragm. Hold this breath for a count of 7. It might feel a bit long, but that's okay. This part of the exercise is all about patience and control. Next, exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh sound to a count of 8. This is the time to let go, to release the air and along with it, any stress or tension you've been holding onto. That's 1 breath. Now inhale again and repeat the cycle 3 more times for a total of 4 breaths. Remember, all exhalation should be through the mouth, while you inhale through your nose. The absolute time you spend on each phase is not important. The ratio of 4, 7, 8 is what matters. With each round of 4-7-8 breathing, you're sending a signal to your nervous system to shift from a state of alertness or anxiety to a state of relaxation. It's a natural tranquilizer for the nervous system. Practice this technique twice a day, consistently. Over time, you'll find that this exercise helps to reduce anxiety, helps you get to sleep, manages cravings, and reduces anger responses. It's a small investment of time for a significant return in well-being. Repeat this cycle for 3 more rounds. And remember, the key to reaping the benefits of the 4-7-8 breathing exercise is consistency and patience. Box breathing, also known as square breathing, is a technique that helps regulate your breath and clear your mind. This method of deep rhythmic breathing is used by athletes, military personnel, and yogis alike to manage stress, increase performance, and maintain mental clarity. In essence, box breathing involves inhaling, holding your breath, exhaling, and again holding your breath, each for an equal count of 4. The beauty of this technique is in its simplicity and adaptability. You can practice it anywhere, anytime, whether you're trying to calm your nerves before a big presentation or winding down for the night. Let's break down the steps. First, find a comfortable seat where you can maintain good posture. Close your eyes or maintain a soft gaze. Start by slowly exhaling all the air from your lungs. Now, gently inhale through your nose to a slow count of 4. Let the air fill your lungs, feeling your chest and abdomen expand. Hold this breath for another count of 4. Try not to clamp your mouth or nose shut. Instead, simply avoid inhaling or exhaling for 4 counts. Next, gently exhale through your mouth for a count of 4, releasing the air from your lungs and feeling your chest and abdomen fall. Finally, hold your breath for another count of 4. This completes 1 cycle of box breathing. The key is to maintain an even rhythm throughout all 4 parts of the cycle. This rhythmic pattern helps to focus your mind, tuning out distractions, and promoting a sense of peace and tranquility. As you practice, you may increase the count to 5 or 6, always ensuring the counts remain equal. This isn't about pushing your limits or holding your breath until you're uncomfortable. It's about finding a rhythm and pace that feels calming and sustainable for you. Repeat this process for several cycles, focusing on the even rhythm. With each cycle, you may find your mind becoming clearer, your body more relaxed, and your stress melting away. Box breathing is more than just a tool for stress management. It's a pathway to inner calm and clarity. Alternate nostril breathing is a yogic technique that balances the right and left sides of the brain, promoting relaxation and clarity. This practice, known as Nadi Shodhana in Sanskrit, is a simple yet powerful way to quiet the mind and soothe the nervous system. It calms the body, reduces stress and anxiety, and helps to balance our energies. Let's dive into the process. To start, sit comfortably, with your spine erect and shoulders relaxed. Rest your left hand on your lap and bring your right hand up to your face. There are 2 main touch points. Your right thumb will gently close off your right nostril, and your right ring finger will be used to close off your left nostril. First, use your right thumb to close off your right nostril. Then, slowly inhale through your left nostril. The breath does not need to be deep, just natural. After your inhalation, use your right ring finger to close off your left nostril, at the same time, releasing your right nostril. Now, exhale fully through your right nostril. That's half a round. For the second half, inhale through your right nostril, then close it off, and exhale through your left nostril. That completes one full round of alternate nostril breathing. The beauty of this exercise is in its simplicity. It requires no special equipment and can be done anywhere, anytime you need a moment of calm. It's like having a personal relaxation tool right at your fingertips. This exercise is not just about the physical act of breathing, it's also about focus, about bringing awareness to the present moment. It's about noticing the cool inhalation, the warm exhalation. It's about feeling the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each breath, the subtle play of air as it enters and leaves your nostrils. As you continue with this practice, you might find your mind wandering. That's okay. Each time it does, simply bring your attention back to your breath, back to the sensation of the air flowing in and out of your nostrils. Continue this pattern for several rounds. Our final exercise is a mindfulness meditation focused on breath awareness. This is a practice that has roots in ancient Buddhist meditation, but has gained significant recognition in the modern world for its effectiveness in managing stress and encouraging mental clarity. In this exercise, the goal is not to manipulate the breath in any way, but rather to simply observe it. By focusing your attention on the natural rhythm of your breath, you'll find that your mind becomes more tranquil and the constant chatter of thoughts begins to quiet down. So let's get started. Find a comfortable position, ideally sitting upright but relaxed. Close your eyes and take a moment to settle in, letting go of any thoughts or concerns from your day. Now turn your attention to your breath. Don't try to change it, just notice it. Feel the sensation of the air entering your nostrils, the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen, and the feeling of the breath leaving your body. As you do this, you may find that your mind starts to wander, getting caught up in thoughts or worries. That's perfectly okay. It's what minds do. The important thing is not to judge yourself or get frustrated. Instead, each time you notice your mind has wandered, gently bring your focus back to your breath. You can even think of it as a little victory each time you catch your mind wandering and return to the breath. This practice of returning to the breath again and again helps to build mindfulness, a state of being fully present and engaged in the current moment. It's a powerful tool for reducing stress, as it allows you to step back from your thoughts and view them with a certain detachment, rather than getting caught up in them. And that's the essence of mindful breath awareness. It's a simple practice, but with regular practice, it can have profound effects on your stress levels and overall mental well-being. So, practice this for a few minutes, letting go of any stress or tension with each breath. There you have it, a 15-minute session of breathing exercises for stress reduction. We've journeyed through a selection of techniques, each with its unique potential to help you find tranquility and inner peace amidst the chaos of daily life. We started with diaphragmatic breathing, an uncomplicated yet potent method to stimulate your body's relaxation response. By focusing on deep, slow breaths, you can encourage your body to shift from a state of stress to one of calm. Next, we explored the 4-7-8 breathing exercise. This technique offers a rhythmic pattern that can help soothe your nervous system and diminish anxiety. Remember, inhale for a count of 4, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. Then we moved on to box breathing, a technique designed to regulate your breath and clear your mind. This square pattern of inhaling, holding, exhaling, and holding again for equal counts can be a powerful ally in your quest for serenity. Our fourth exercise, alternate nostril breathing, not only promotes relaxation, but also brings balance to the right and left sides of your brain. This yogic technique can provide clarity and a sense of equilibrium, fostering a peaceful state of mind. Finally, we delved into the world of mindfulness with a breath awareness exercise. By simply observing each inhalation and exhalation, you can anchor your mind in the present moment and let go of any lingering stress or tension. As we conclude this session, I encourage you to incorporate these exercises into your daily routine. Regular practice can help you manage stress more effectively and contribute positively to your overall well-being. These techniques are not just about breathing, they're about harnessing the power within you to cultivate a sense of calm and tranquility. Remember, your breath is a powerful tool for stress management. Use it wisely and live a healthier, happier life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who may benefit, and subscribe to Nebloo Healthy for more content on well-being and mindfulness. Take care of yourself, and may your days be filled with peace and serenity. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, be well, be mindful, and breathe in the beauty of life.